Hello friends. Why Mavic Pro battery won't charge? You tried to fix it with software or tried many things, but in the end, you failed again. Because the problem is actually with you. If you keep it in the corner of your closet for a year or two, if you don't charge it, if you do not use the drone battery correctly, let's see what is happening inside the battery together. As you can see, I opened the inside of the battery. Here there is a 3-cell battery. There is an abnormality in one of the cells. The first cell gives 0 volts, so the battery is dead. The other two are normal. Charge your drone batteries at least once every 6 months. And keep the batteries in a cool place. These batteries are really smart, but if you leave them for a long time without charging, the cells inside will lose energy over time and die.